everybody, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to Jocelyn's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dish. Today I am going to share with you miso glazed baked salmon. And I think you're all going to enjoy it. So come on, let's go.
You're going to use a fillet of salmon, about 3 pounds of salmon, Hawaiian sea salt, black pepper, sesame oil, organic miso, white miso paste, light mayonnaise, panko breadcrumbs, and rice seasoning for kake. Sprinkle sea salt on top of your salmon. Then you're going to sprinkle black pepper on top of the salmon as well. Next, you're going to drizzle sesame oil on top of the salmon. Taking a rubber spatula, cut the sesame oil evenly on top of the salmon. Next, in a bowl, take about a teaspoon of the miso paste. Now you can always add a little bit more if you want more of a stronger miso flavor, but it's always good to start off with just 1 teaspoon of miso paste and then add accordingly. Next, you're going to add mayonnaise to your miso paste. I use about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And as you can see, I'm just estimating it. And when you mix it up, again, it's your choice if you want to have more of a mayonnaise-based flavor or more of a miso. I like it even, so I keep it about the same ratio. Now it's time to add the miso mayonnaise mixture on top of the salmon. Okay, taking that same rubber spatula, spread the miso mayonnaise mixture evenly on top of the salmon. Be sure to get each sides and the corners as well. Now it's time to add the panko breadcrumbs. So taking the panko breadcrumbs, sprinkle evenly and coat your salmon all over. And when you bake it, nice and golden, it becomes a nice crunchy topping for your salmon. Now I like to add the rice seasoning for kake. If you're wondering, what is that? Well, it's a seasoning that's used for sashimi, for poke, and I like this particular flavor. It has seaweed, it has different seasonings together, and so it brings out a nice flavor to the baked salmon. Now this is optional. If you choose you do not want to add it, that's okay too. Now you can add some sliced lemon on top. It gives your salmon nice aroma when you're going to bake it. There you go, looking pretty. Cover your salmon with aluminum foil and bake at 450 degrees.
Hey Google, timer 20 minutes.
Sure, 20 minutes. Starting now.
After 20 minutes, open your oven and remove the foil. It's time to create that golden crust.
Hey Google, timer 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes. And we're starting now.
Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Okay everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It looks really good. Got the lemon on top. I'm squishing it because I love the juices of lemon on salmon. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna go for right here. Flakes beautifully. I didn't overcook it. I wanted to show you. Now you can't. Okay. So the salmon is really This is my miso glazed baked salmon recipe. Alright everybody, if you like this video, share and let me know what you think. See you later.